It's a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. Combining family needs with premium comfort, this Town & Country is the family hauler you'll trust for the long haul. It comes with great features you love. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. You connect with Bluetooth. Dual zone climate control. Auto dimming rearview mirror. AC power outlet. Leather bucket seats. Multi-speed automatic transmission. Aluminum wheels. Gas pressurized shocks. And power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive reports the Town & Country is a great vehicle for families that need to haul kids and cargo on a regular basis. Chrysler, where top flight engineering meets affordable luxury. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
We put the customer first at Nissan 24 and will work hard to help you find the perfect vehicle. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1016 Belmont Street in Brockton.